This one, let's look at this. Is this what? Do y'all know what the degree of this would be? If I'm too lazy to multiply this out. I'm not gonna multiply it out. Do y'all know what the degree of this would be? It's 2 from this and 1 from this. So the degree would be what? What do I do with the powers? 3. So the degree is 3. I'm too lazy to multiply this out. 3 is odd. You're welcome to multiply that out, but we don't need to. So it's an odd. Is the leading coefficient positive or negative? Is it going to be positive or negative here? Negative, good. Negative 2 times 1 times 1. It's going to be negative 2, so it's negative. It's odd negative, just like Cameron. All right. Now, what's nice, do y'all know what this form is called? This is called factored form. So do you have to factor this to solve it? No, just set each equal to 0. That's nice. You are going to cook on this. If you're ever unsure of yourself, type it in the calculator to see. And I'm going to pause, get my big hand out of the way. I'm going to graph it. If you're ever unsure of yourself, like, use the calculator. Now, be careful. Make sure you're not too zoomed in on, like, that one example. Do y'all know what the multiplicity of 1 would be? How often will 1 happen? How often? Twice. Why is it a multiplicity of 2? Because it's squared. So that's a multiplicity of 2. So it's gonna touch it and turn around. Negative 2 has a multiplicity of what? 1. Ow. To find the y-intercept, we'll make x equal 0. This time, the y-intercept's not given to me, so it'll be f of 0 is negative 2 times 0 minus 1 squared, plus 0 plus 2. So this will help you find the y-intercept. I probably should put those points there. My bad. Oh, I forgot to tell what that does to the end behavior. Dang it. I'm sorry. L teaching for me. I didn't tell what happens to the end behavior. It's odd negative. Dang it, I'm doing all kinds of things wrong. Good catch. Thank you for calling me out on my garbage. I want to go back to Huntsville. The teacher isn't that bad there. I forgot to talk about what odd negative means. That was my fault. I didn't leave any room there, so that was my fault. We can go back and look, or I could just tell you. Odd, negative. Odd goes in separate direction. Negative means they are flip-flopped. So it rises to the left and falls to the right. That's on the previous page. It's on the first page there. I didn't scroll back because I didn't want to disrupt your learning here. Negative 2 times 0 minus 1 squared times 0 plus 2 is negative 4. So the y-intercept is 0, negative 4. Okay. So next, turning points. This is Cameron's thing. The degree, it's the degree minus 1. What's my degree? 3 minus 1, so it's 2. So there's going to be 2 turning points. So what happens is it rises to the left. Now, this one has a multiplicity of 1, so that means it comes through. I don't know what it does, like how far it goes down. I don't know how far, if it goes down beyond this or touches it. I don't know that for sure. I'm cheating to tell that it goes past this and then comes back up. That's cheating on my part, but that's not really the most important thing. And then what happens when it hits 1? Does it go through it or does it turn back around? Turns back around because it's a multiplicity of 2, and it falls to the right. So it rises to the left, falls to the right, negative 2, multiplicity of 1, so it just goes through it, wires up negative 4, hits 1, and then it turns back